Hello, my Koraidon and Muraidon straddling unconventional conventionalists, and welcome to another unboxing video. In the near future, I'm going to be premiering a brand new cosplay, a character from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, so be on the lookout for progress photos of that. But to start it all off, I ordered this beautiful Love Ball off of Amazon. For those of you that don't know, the Love Ball premiered in Generation 2, Gold and Silver, and it is best used when thrown at Pokemon that are the opposite gender of the Pokemon you are using. I'm a lesbian, so this ball is completely useless for me. But it just so happens that inside of this ball is 3 booster packs of the Pokemon TCG. And according to the YouTube algorithm, one of the things that gets the most views is unboxing Pokemon booster packs for some reason. So, let's try it out. So, Prussian, I choose you! Wow! Why are the coins this big? The coins used to be like half this size. Yeah, I haven't done anything with Pokemon TCG in like 10 years at least. Actually, more like 15. Goddamn, was time going. But yeah, shiny Eevee coin. Look at that. Look, blind. Okay, we got Sword and Shield, Fusion Strike. We have Sword and Shield, Chilling Rain. And we have Sword and Shield, Evolving Skies. They're all from Generation 8. The Pokemon generation that I skipped entirely, so I may not even know who some of these Pokemon are. Alright guys, I got my gloves on, because apparently Pokemon cards are seen as national treasures these days. I don't fucking get it, but okay, here we go. First up is going to be the Sword and Shield Fusion Strike, so let's see what we got in here. Alright. Drillbur. Bumblebee. I love Bumblebee. Mudkip. Caterpie. Morpeko. Snorlax. My reverse shiny. My reverse hollow. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. Toxicroak. Is this my rare? This is my rare. Toxicroak. Dark type. Thought I was poison and fighting. I don't fucking know. Fire Energy. Glysaur. Is this another rare? It is not. It is an uncommon. We have Centiskorch. What about this one? This is an uncommon. And we have Bugcatcher. Whatever the fuck this is. Probably doesn't even work anymore. Next up is the Chilling Rain. Alright, we have Inkay, Rockruff, Ghastly, Ladybug, Porygon, Expedition Uniform, and this is my reverse shiny, an item card, what a waste. Weezing, Galarian Weezing, and this is my rare, another dark type rare. Fighting Energy, Hatrian, Lairon, and Steenie. Alright, last one, guys. Evolving Skies. Alright. Raggenrola, Rufflet, Dwebble, Nickit, Cryogonal, Sableye, this is my reverse shiny, Pinsir, which I think is my rare, yes, this is my rare, Grass Energy, Skiploom, Herdier, and Digging Gloves. And that's it, guys. Nothing really that impressive, nothing that really stood out. I think out of all of those, my favorite card is probably this reversed Hollow Snorlax. Even though it's a common card, I don't care. I love the way it looks. So that's really cute. Alright. So there you have it. That was the Pokemon card unboxing. So now I'm going to get 1 million subscribers over the next week, right? Right? Yeah. Okay. Until the next video, I love you guys. Stay sexy and keep on masturbating. Salute.